Welcome to the stunning estate in the highly desired neighborhood of Lake Windcrest. This property sits on 2.5 private acres. This home is filled with gorgeous decorator features like beautiful wood laminate floors, soft neutral paint, and raised ceilings. The first floor study with closet could easily be a fourth bedroom. The family room with corner gas log fireplace and wall of picture windows overlooks the large back-covered patio, pool, and hot tub. Large gourmet island kitchen with crisp white cabinets, granite countertops, tile backsplash, and under cabinet lighting. The master retreat on the first floor has gorgeous views, a walk-in closet, and ensuite bath. The master bath includes a clawfoot tub, separate walk-in shower, and 2 vanities. The huge game room up is a wonderful retreat. There is also an additional studio over the garage with private entrance. The neighborhood amenities of Lake Windcrest include golf, fishing, and skiing. Check out this amazing backyard with sparkling swimming pool. Make a point to see this property today. For more information, call Heidi at 832-876-0335.